Here's how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So first you want to go to your profile by clicking the profile logo at the bottom. And then you want to go to the post that you want to archive, click on it, and then click on the three vertical dots on top. And then you want to select archive and wait for it to archive the post. And once it's archived, if you go back to your profile and refresh it, you should no longer see the post available. Now to unarchive the post and bring it back to your profile, you should click on the three vertical lines on the top right hand side. And then you should click on archive. And then you want to click on the drop down at the top where it says Stories Archive. And then select Posts Archive. And then click on the post you have archived earlier. And then click on the three vertical dots on the top. And then in this menu, you should click on Show on Profile. And then click on Show on Profile again and wait for it to unarchive the post. Now, once it says restored, you should go back to your Instagram profile. And you should see the post available again and it's publicly visible. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.